How to get unlimited coins on Hamster Kombat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Launch your Hamster Kombat and you will see a page like this. And here you can see Daily Reward, Daily Cipher, and Daily Combo. These are the three options that will allow you to earn more coins. So let's go ahead and tap on Daily Rewards. Here you will see Daily Task. If you do so, you can earn this much coins. Now coming on to Daily Cipher, if you tap onto it and tap onto this animal, you can earn coins. Heading over to Daily Combo, you can see that what you can do to earn 5 million coins. On the PRN team, you can buy millions of coins, and that way you can also increase your coins likewise. Now at the bottom, you will see Friends. Tap onto it. If you invite your friends, Hamster Combat will provide you 5,000 coins and for your friends. If you invite a friend with Telegram Premium, you will earn 25,000 coins for yourself and for your friends. So these are all the way you can use to get more coins. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. To get more videos on this topic, like this video and subscribe to our channel.